50% people vaccinated is different. So these things have gone. It's not the same as the last time.
Sir, madam.
Yes.
म्हणजे याची गरज ना निर्बंध आणि याची किती असं त्याची गरज असते रिस्ट्रिक्शनची गरज ना तुम्ही म्हणता की वॅक्सिनेट झाला असता.
No, I'm not saying garaz na. It depends on the positivity. We were really troubled by yesterday's positivity of 23%, but we now know. But the denominator was very small. So what happened on a Sunday was the people who were sick went to get tested, but there was very little testing happening at our PHCs because they are closed. So today it's a more realistic picture of 13%. Yesterday was very troubling of 23, but we know it's not such a good
There was
number.
sudden spike in cases. So is it because of New Year crowd, or the reason is something else?
We will have to look for a sustained rise, and we'll have to watch this. Okay. But also the behavior of the virus is such. You have seen in all parts of India there has been, the wave has started hitting different states. So we know that this third wave has come. We want to flatten the wave slightly so that we have time. You know, everyone in one swipe is not turning positive, and everyone, it will go up, everyone be immune, and it will come down, and hopefully there will be no other
What
waves.
is the threshold of positivity concerning rate? Threshold rate where concern will start. So now it is 13%, it will go to 15%. Where will be the threshold concern rate?
So it will depend on the occupancy of the hospitals. So we are looking at both things. One thing is the positivity, and the other thing is how sick people will get. So we look at the positivity, we look how many people are getting admitted, how sick they are, and how many ICU beds are available. So we always have to balance that. If we find that 50% of our ICU beds are full, immediately there will be a much stronger restrictions.
Madam, government about programs will पहिले
सगळे सुरू आहे.
full fledged चालू
Full fledged network सुरू
प्रोग्राम
आहे.
चालू फंक्शन चालू मीटिंग चालू
प्रचार सुरू आहे.
ऍडवाइस दिवपा सोदता तेंका कितें सांगपा सोदता.
So that's what I just said. We will give the advice depending on the positivity, matched by the number of admissions. Today there were only 9 admissions. Although yesterday the positivity was so high, the day before it was already between, it was nearing 10 or whatever. Today it's 13. So the positivity and the need, how many people are getting admitted, how many ICU beds are available. So that will be.
Precaution म्हणून काय सांगपाना तेंका पॉझिटिव्हिटी
Everybody must take precautions, just like Dr. Bose.
I'll tell you, madam is one member of that full committee. She advises. There are many other people who will give their suggestions, and the decision will be taken as a team. So
But what advice you have given to the political parties, because they are having huge rallies
फंक्शन
at the backdrop of political situation of elections, they are having huge rallies. So what suggestions you have given to these political parties? Just let us know.
और ते तुमचे ऐकना असे वेगळे
असं सांगा तुम्ही ना आम्ही समजतं की तुमचे कोणी ऐकू ना.
the suggestion on behalf of madam, I'm saying
No.
we are advising people not to be a part of such political rallies and big gatherings.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Doctor, can you give us the breakup of the hospital beds for COVID patients, GMC district hospitals?
So GMC has about 830 beds capacity. South Goa District Hospital has 200 beds with 18 ICU beds. Should the case rise still further, then another 150 beds in the new hospital will be made available. And North Goa has 100 beds. Once these are 50% full, then ESI will be activated. Once ESI is 50% full, both the sub-district hospitals will be opened up, and thereafter all the primary health centers. The idea is we do not want to interrupt or withdraw services for non-COVID health reasons. So we are going with a graded response.
Is it a private hospital that somebody wants to go to a private hospital?
See, private hospitals have never stopped admitting patients, you know that. So they have continued to admit. If you take the whole picture, private and the DHS and GMC, we have 4,000 plus beds available.
Madam, how many beds in GMC?
As of now, for in sub SSB, they have given us 830 beds. 30 is pediatric.
And doctor, that rates for the private hospitals, no, that rate chart was announced somewhere in May and that continued till June end. But I think the fresh order has to come. Otherwise, the private hospital chart, what they want, na, the capped rates.
We'll look into that.
Ma'am, any steps taken to augment testing?
Yes, I just said that every person who puts their foot into a district hospital will be tested, right?
No, I'm just testing facilities. Are you going to
Testing
add-
capacity?
Yes.
So as of now, our capacity is about 4,000. In the private sector is another 2,000 plus. And we will accordingly, when more people are symptomatic, we will use lot of RAT testing, RAT.
Madam,
So we can go up to 10,000. Okay?
Madam, during the second wave, there was
Yeah.
shortage of medicines which are prescribed
Yeah.
by the government.
The good news is now you don't need medicines. You just need crocin. You need a paracetamol to manage fever, and that's it. If you have whatever oxygen need, then you need oxygen. Oxygen is a drug, and this time you know that we are ready. We have so many 8 PSA oxygen producing plants. We have LMO liquid medical oxygen, and we have enhanced our cylinder capacity. So this time we are ready.
There
Yeah.
will be no need of
Yes,
medicines
I
like
can.
doxycycline and all
No,
that.
no. We have now. Everyone has had an experience, and we know that it is not required.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.